so much more than this. The first issue is buffering capacity. The second is the risk of crossing tipping point. And both are moving in the wrong direction. Buffering capacity is the Earth system's ability to dampen shocks and stress. Like, for example, soaking up greenhouse gases in intact nature on land and in the ocean. And so far, Mother Earth has been so forgiving. Here we have the evidence. What you see here is the hockey stick of fossil fuel burning in red and deforestation in yellow. Is it this tremendous climate forcing that has caused the 1.2 degrees Celsius climate crisis so far? The answer is no. 53% of the carbon dioxide from fossil fuel burning and land system change have been soaked up by intact nature on land and in the ocean. It's only the blue sliver you see here, which remains in the atmosphere, causing the climate crisis so far. The problem is we have more and more scientific evidence of cracks in this system. Let's start with carbon dioxide from our greenhouse gas emissions. We have more and more scientific evidence across so much research that the boreal forest in Canada or the temperate mixed forest in Germany and Russia are starting to lose their carbon uptake capacity. Did you know that the latest science showed that the part of the Amazon rainforest, planet Earth's richest biome on terrestrial land, has already tipped over and is no longer carbon sink. It is today a carbon source. It's no longer helping us. But as if that was not enough, what really worries us today is the ocean. The ocean absorbs 90% of the heat caused by human-induced climate change. This is well understood, but what really worries us is what you see here. This is the latest data on sea surface temperature across the ocean.
We realized Google was built in the cloud. Google Search, Google Maps, Gmail, everything works. We are a native cloud company, and we are one of the best cloud infrastructure in the world. So we made a decision to really provide it to everyone else, and we brought in CEOs who had real background to do that. Our current CEO, Thomas Kurian, has really helped scale the business. Last quarter, we had over $10 billion in revenues. I think we are probably the number 4th largest software company in the enterprise now. So it's one of our most robust businesses. And in fact, I announced in one of our earnings call recently that we will exit 2024 in YouTube and cloud at a $100 billion run rate. And these are businesses which we built from scratch over the past decade.
So we talked about cloud, which was a novelty 10 years ago or so, and now AI is a bit of a novelty. What are the areas in the future that you think will be the next great tech